We just want to start out with a modified plank. So you're going to engage your glutes and your abs, keeping everything in a straight line, holding it here, breathing, engaging that core. Excellent. And now tap your knees and straighten. Tap them down, lift them up, tap and lift. Oh yeah, here comes Ace. You can probably hear his nails on the floor. He might pop in here, he might not. Couple more. 4. Last 3, 2, hold it on 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh my goodness. Drop it back and into a child's pose. Here he is. Oh, he's ready to do some Pilates. Are you gonna lay down? Okay, well you're kind of in the way. You gotta lay down, sweetheart, so you're not in the way. Come here, come here. Come here and lay down. Lay down. Okay, get on the bed, even better. All right, well, Ace is relaxing on the bed. He's not going to participate today in some Pilates. We're going to get to a side position here. You're going to position it so that your legs are stacked. They're about a 45-degree angle, and you want everything aligned here. So you want your shoulder to be completely over your elbow. You don't want to be out here. You don't want to be under here. You want a nice base of support. Hand in front of you for extra support. And you're just going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. You want everything here to be strong. You want a nice support system. You don't want it to be sagging. Everything is always working in Pilates. It doesn't matter what you're doing, you're using, literally, it feels like all of your muscles. And a lot of the time you're activating a lot more muscles than you think you are. Lift and lower. Great. 5 more. 4. Last 3. 2. Hold it out on 1. Excellent. Take it back and down. Lift, extend, back and down. Oh my goodness. Hey, can you lay down, sweetheart? Oh, he's such a naughty boy. He wants all the attention for him. I don't know if he's here to really encourage me to do my workout. Rather, he would like me to pet him and play with him. Excellent. 2 more. Last 1. Woo! Pat out that muscle. We're going to take it to the other side. Setting it up just as well as we did on the first side. Yeah, he thinks this is like wrestle time if I'm down here on the ground like this. You're gonna wreck my mess, sweetheart. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Excuse me, you're in the way of my lift and lower. Now, if you have an animal that's distracting you, you know, I encourage you to find a room that maybe blocks them out if you really can't get anything else done with them around. Otherwise, try to incorporate your pets. He just misses me because I've been working all day, so he's been looking forward to some quality time. All right, lift, extend, return it, and lower. Lift, extend, and bend, and lower. No, you don't paw it, Mama. Yeah, this is not playtime. This is Mama's workout time. Workout time. Does anyone else's dog like listen to them while they talk and like try to understand? All right, 5 more. Extend, bend, and lower. Lift, extend, bend, and lower. Last 2. And 1. I think he's gonna go try to bring me a toy. We're just gonna close him out for now. All right, you're gonna return to that child's pose, opening up those hips, reaching it forward. Excellent. We're gonna change our point of view. You're gonna come to a seated position on your mat, and we're just gonna start bringing it back. Not all the way, you're coming up, lifting, engaging that core. The core is winding you back and then pulling you forward. Excellent, 5 more. That's 5, 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Hold it back there, little pulses, little, small, gluing the knees together, pulling that core. Back, 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 take it back, back. 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, take it up. Excellent job. Now we're gonna roll all the way down, coming all the way down. Knees into your chest, becoming a ball, massaging your spine on the mat. I encourage you to get a nice thick mat so it feels great on your back. You're gonna be lifting your legs up to the ceiling, and you're just gonna work your hands up and back down. Feed them up and down. Last one, hold it up there, holding at the ankles or the shins, wherever you're at. Taking it down into a tabletop position. Hands are just gently resting behind your head, and you're gonna tap your toes down and up. Take it down, bring it up, holding in that core. When you're up in that tabletop position, your back is imprinting into the mat, and then when they lower, you feel that space underneath your back. Space, and then imprinting. Pulling that navel into the spine. 5 more. 4. Last 3. 2. Hold it down on 1. You're almost going to graze the mat, but not quite. Little pulses, little. You want to touch the mat, but not quite. 10 seconds. Whoo! Full body stretch. Great job, everybody. You want your arms down by your side. You're going to pick up one leg, and you're going to make tiny circles on the ceiling, moving in one direction at a time. Everything else is stable. You want your core engaged. You want your pelvic bone to be nice and still. Keeping both shoulders on the mat. And reverse. Excellent. Pull that leg in and extend it down long. Other side, starting with one direction. Small circles on the ceiling. And change directions. Excellent. Pulling that leg in and extending it down long. I love this one. So you're going to lead with your arms and you're going to start to roll up. Your head follows, reaching it forward and taking it back the way you came up. Full ab control here. Let's do 2 more. Last one. We're going to stay up when we get up all the way, reaching for those toes. Excellent. Let's just bring those legs in, get a quick stretch in here. Heels or the soles of the feet are together, leaning slightly forward, pressing down on the inner thighs. Extending your legs long. You're going to take one foot, place it on the mat. You're going to engage your core, straight spine. And you're going to lift, levitating that one leg up just a little bit above the mat. Excellent. Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and drop. Other side. Straight spine and lift. Lift, lift, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, that's a killer. It doesn't look it, but once you try, you're gonna understand exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so we're going to do a couple more moves before we finish up here. Hands on the mat. You're going to come onto the soft part of the knees. So you want to roll off of your kneecap, and we're going to go into some push-ups here. So you want to keep your elbows close into the body, and we're just going to come down and up, down and up. If you can do about 8 to 10, that's fantastic. You're sliding like me. That's okay, reposition. Nice. Take it back to that shell stretch. Reaching back for those ankles. Hands by your shoulders, push yourself up and away. Coming back onto all fours here. Aligning. Right arm, left leg reaches. And lower it down. Other side. Nice. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this workout today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll be back for more. I can't wait to start filming more workouts. I promise they're coming. So thank you guys so much for being patient.